detail my design. You've drawn me into truth. In you I am defined.
Hi wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Yes, look who is back to beauty community, beauty makeup tutorial. So in this video I'm gonna be testing out the products that I recently got, and which is the Wycon makeup or Wycon Cosmetics. Okay, so whichever way you just position it, that is what we're going to be using. So I'm going to be testing their product, which is going to be like my first impression, my first time to use their foundation, concealer, setting powder, primer, orishirishi. So this is basically it. So I would highly recommend, before you go into makeup, always clean your face, because that will help you to get a smooth makeup without filter. In this video I did not add any filter in my makeup because my face my face is already clean. Okay, so the primer smells amazing. It smells so good. Like, I really love the scent of this primer. They have this great product which you can apply, and yeah, so this is it, me applying it. Then the next one, I'm gonna go ahead with the foundation. Like, guys, my thought on this foundation is amazing. It's great. Like, when I say it's great, and the fact that it matches my color is always giving me joy to use each time, like every day. Okay, so it gives me that joy. Look at this, guys. I just applied it in a little quantity because I already have flawless skin. Like, just look at this. This is so good. Look at the difference between there and here. You will see that blends amazing with no cakey, no separation of oil and the foundation. That's, like, I so much love this foundation. In my first trial, I can give it 10/10. Then this is this concealer. Okay, and this concealer, it is so good. They all have great perfume in their product, which is so nice. Okay, so this is the shade, like the color that I'm gonna be using under my eyes. So I start applying it a little, okay, because before I used to apply a lot and I ended up messing the whole face. But as you grow, you learn a lot you have sense. So here I'm blending it, and guys, what I will say in this concealer is that it is so good, like easy to blend. It is so amazing. I was amazed when I blended it. It was very soft, very smooth. It's just like you have not even put your blender. Is that you have not blended. Look at this, guys. Does this look like filter? No. So it blends so well. This is their setting powder. In this setting powder, I opened it, is white, but the lady told me it's translucent. I've said this 100 times, but guys, when I applied it, it was so soft. Like, look at that. It was amazing, very smooth. No what did they call it again? I did not even color grade or whatever. I did not smoothen my video. This is my real face, guys. So here you see how the powder looks like. It's so good. It makes my face so smooth. You won't even notice that I apply such a thing in my face. Like, the foundation, the makeup, it was not heavy. Look at how I'm looking, so pretty, so gorgeous. It's not heavy in the face. It's very light, so light. Like, I feel the urge of wearing it every day. Like, guys, I feel like putting it on my face every day, because I was amazed with the final look. Like, I was amazed with I was amazed with what is in my face. Okay, so I'm like, do you think I will not use it and sleep? I'm like, I think I will use it and sleep. So guys, this is the product that I just used to achieve this video, and that is basically all. So if you guys really like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and also guys, subscribe in our channel for more videos from by Chine's Menu, and of course for more makeup tutorial. And of course I'll see you all in my next one. Remain blessed and have an amazing day. I love you all to the moon and back. Bye guys.